Meet Misa, the robot companion designed to make family life easier and more fun. Whether your family is small or large, daily activities and chores can be overwhelming. Misa is here to help. Misa can entertain your child for hours by chatting, dancing, and playing educational games. Misa can set alarms and timers, find information on the internet, book hotels, and suggest recipes. With a built-in camera and sound recorder, Misa can patrol your home, letting you see and hear what's happening when you're away. Use Misa for video calls and watching movies. Misa can remind elderly family members to take their medication on time. Misa moves around the house on its own, avoiding obstacles. Misa offers all these features for just $400. Misa is more than just a robot. It's a helpful and engaging companion for your entire family. HiWonder SpiderPi is a cool toy made by the Chinese company HiWonder. It's not just fun, but also helps you learn. With this toy, you can start learning programming basics. The SpiderPi has a high-resolution camera that can recognize colors and track objects. It also uses ultrasound to detect and avoid obstacles. Plus, it can follow lines if you know how to guide it. If you learn how to use SpiderPi, it becomes a toy that will always keep you entertained. You can program it to do many different tricks. You can buy this amazing toy for $580. The Terra-Sect rolling lizard is an RC toy that won't teach you anything special, but it will keep a restless child entertained and can take the place of several other toys. The secret of the Terra-Sect lizard is that it has two ways to move. In the upright position, it drives like a regular car. But when it bends, it rolls like a wheel and can go over obstacles and stairs. The price starts at just $18. The HHD H6 is a cool new product that RC toy fans will love. Why? Because it solves the problem of having to choose between two toys. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that can transform into a drone in just a few seconds. The wheels of the motorcycle become the drone's propellers. But that's not all. The HHD H6 comes with a high-quality camera that takes photos and videos, which you can see in real time on your smartphone through Wi-Fi. Some might think you can't get clear images from a moving drone, but the HHD H6 can hover in the air without moving, so the images are sharp. You can control the HHD H6 with a special remote or your smartphone. The battery lasts for 8 minutes of flying or 15 minutes of driving on the ground. You can control it from about 40 to 50 meters away. The price is around $57. Most modern toys are made for just one person to play with, but Ganker is different. It's a robot from Oz Robotics that you can use to have fun with friends. Ganker lets you participate in robot battles. You control it using a simple app on your smartphone. To win battles against other players, you'll need to practice. The makers of Ganker robots suggest you improve your skills by inventing and customizing the robot's weapons and armor. This means each robot can be unique. Advanced users can even program special commands and movements for their robots through coding. Even though Ganker robots battle each other, they don't actually cause damage. They just touch each other, and special sensors read these touches to determine the winner. One Ganker robot costs around $400. If your child wants a pet but isn't ready for a real one yet, a good choice is to get them a robotic animal. SilverLit's Robo Chameleon is a cute robot chameleon that changes the color of its back and crest. It can also stick out its tongue to move objects or pick up special tokens that it eats, and the price is about $40. Not all toys are made just for kids. Some have complex designs and lots of small, detailed parts that adults can really appreciate. The car you see is one of those toys. It's the Peugeot AP172 from Bohm Stirling, a collectible model of the Peugeot Quadrillette from the 1920s. This toy doesn't have a radio control. Instead, it has a tiny 4-cylinder engine that drives the rear wheels. The Peugeot AP172 can run for 10 minutes before the engine needs to cool down. It's made with high-quality materials like stainless steel screws, brass wheels, headlight bezels, and a radiator grille, and the main material is aluminum. This car is also a construction set that you can build yourself. It takes about 3 hours to assemble. The price is about $480. Powertreads is a cool RC car that stands out from others. Most RC cars can only drive on smooth surfaces and get stuck on grass or rough ground. But Powertreads can drive on all sorts of surfaces and easily go over obstacles. Its unique shape gives it great mobility for its size. You can even create obstacle courses for it. It costs $30. Stunt Shot from Hogs is another amazing RC car. Its main feature is its huge soft wheels. These wheels help it overcome obstacles and get into unexpected places without damaging furniture or people. Stunt Shot doesn't leave scratches, even on delicate surfaces. The price is $25.